to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you my nighttime skincare routine. So currently it's 10 p.m. and I'm going to wash my face and apply some mask because I do all this stuff once a week or sometimes in 15 days. So yeah, today is the day. So if you enjoy the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'm starting by cleansing my face with this rice water face cleanser from Face Shop. I'm going to take a little bit and I have already wet my face. This smells so good and it also removes all the dead impurities and cleanses your pores. I was at home from the morning, so I don't need extra I don't need any extra cleanser or makeup remover because I was at home chilling because it's Sunday. So I will be back after I will clean my face with my face wash, and now I'm going to quickly tap my face and you can see it looks very clean and nice. If you have dry skin, then this face wash can give you problems, like it is a little on a drier side, but if you have oily or combination skin, then you can use it. It's worth buying. So for the next thing, what I am planning to do today is, like, I do this stuff once a month or whenever I feel like I want to give pamper session to my skin. So I just do these all stuff or steps. So today I'm planning to use this L'Oreal Pure Clay mask. This says it detoxify. It has clay and Japanese active charcoal. This is for normal to dry skin. And guys, the packaging and this is to die for. You wait, this is so beautiful, and yes, and the fragrance is so good, like literally it feels like this is so good. You don't have, there is no need to apply too much. You have to apply just a thin layer, so everything looks balanced. And you can use any brush if you want, but I'm using my fingers, so yes. Don't get scared because okay, so I have applied the face mask and now I'm going to quickly pack this up. And the packaging is so cute, guys. You can see it is for like 50 gram and it retails for I don't know. This is my third try on this product. I have applied it. This retails for 750 rupees, but this is so worth because it has Japanese active charcoal and it says use 2 to 3 times a week. leave on for 15 to 10 minutes before rinsing off. So yeah, we have to wait for 15 minutes and then I will be back. And guys, it smells so good. Now what I feel is my skin is feeling a little tight from the side, which is just started drying up. So yes, you can see. Let us wait for 15 minutes and then see the results. Now I have washed my face and you can see my face looks so clean. Okay, so this step is also among those which I do not use daily and which I don't do daily. This is Good Vibes Lemon Scrub. So I'm going to scrub my lips and it's so cute. Like, look at it. This is a beautiful jar and you have the scrub inside. I'm quickly going to take a little amount. I'm going to scrub my lips with this. So now as you can see, my face is clean and my lips are super moisturized. So what I'm going to do is first apply some lip balm. By the way, this scrub makes your lips plump and super soft. So now for the toner, I'm going to use this kit which I bought from nykaa. This kit is from faceshop and I'm going to use their Revitalizing Toner on my. So I'm going to put this toner. Going to take this much. Quickly close it because I don't want it to fall. I'm going to rub and going to apply this on my face. This steps is suitable for all the skin type and this range from faceshop is suitable for those who are just wants their skin wrinkle free and all of that jazz. And one more thing that I want to talk to you all about is if you will just apply makeup and you will not keep your skin healthy from inside, then there is nothing that can help you. Now I'm going to take this serum. This is a little sticky. You can see, I will show you. This is like this, and after applying the toner, I'm going to take this and if you will ask me what I love, skincare or makeup, then guys, I will say skincare, because makeup will just hide the imperfections but skincare will show you how you can just look beautiful naturally. Anyway, everyone is beautiful. It's not from outside, it's from inside. So yes, after applying the toner, my skin feels hydrated. You can see it feels glowy and hydrated. Now I will use the emulsion after the serum. This is Revitalizing Emulsion. Oh my gosh. And this is like a lotion. I'm going to take this much because it's heavy on the skin, because I'm doing it in the night routine, because this is good if you use it in night time, because the creams are so heavy and you cannot use them. You cannot use them in extreme humidity and extreme summers. But yeah, in winter I will think we can use it in the morning and also in the night time. I'm going to give my face some massage, which is needed. It says you have to just completely blend it in your skin. And now you can see my face is completely moisturized. And the last step is this cream from the same face shop, from the same brand face shop, and this is extremely thick, guys, so I'm going to use just this much. This cream is very thick. And this is super soft. And all the products from face shop has this beautiful fragrance. All the products from face shop has beautiful fragrance, and the clay mask that I just put on is also very good and nice, and its fragrance is just lit. Now you can see how my skin looks like. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and share it with your friends, family, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It's free. And yes, bye, stay happy.